Okay, I just want to make a quick little video of some of the crazy stuff this thing can do, the Multiwii interface. I'm opening it up right now. It talks to you for one thing. When you first open it up, it tells you have a great flight.
Initialization completed. Have a good flight.
Okay, and then I'm going to hook on. This is how you hook up with the darn thing. Hit connect. Bam, went right to my house. Okay, now I'm going to arm the copter. A little house will appear. Bam, there's a little house that showed up. Okay, now it's going to say on the way to Waypoint 1 or something. Give me a second here. I got to arm it.
Going to Waypoint 1.
I'm assuming that it'll say that at every way, it'll going to Waypoint 1 reached, going to Waypoint 2. I don't know.
Going to Waypoint 1.
I've never got to Waypoint 1 yet, so I don't really know. I've only been doing this in my house, but it's pretty cool the way it works. And let me see. Let me disconnect real quick. I'll actually go make a mission this time. Let's see, download mission. Upload mission? Download mission? Uh-oh. Oh, I'm not connected. I had to disconnect to get it to reset. Let me go ahead and reconnect. Okay, navigation system is working. Download mission. I just downloaded that mission right there. Now let's... Okay. Copter's armed.
Going to Waypoint 1.
Lights up what waypoint it's going to go to. And it tells you it's going to Waypoint 1. Now, if your nav system isn't working like that, when you flip your switch, if your motors don't spin up and you don't get a big red light up here.
Going to Waypoint 1.
Basically, if you don't get all that, it ain't working right. Because unless it says navigation system is working, it's not working. It just looks like it's working. Even if it just goes to your neighborhood, if you don't have your flight mode set up the way I do, and the way I've seen other people do it, you aren't going to ever reach that first waypoint. And as a matter of fact, you won't even get your mission light, which is right there on that panel. You'll get a mission light. It says mission, and it also has to have the barometer. I found out you have to include the barometer in the on position.
Going to Waypoint 1.
And as it is, I'm lucky that any of this stuff works at all, because I busted the wire off my receiver and I got just a piece of red wire soldered on there so I could do minimum commands with throttle and stuff like this. As soon as I get the money in the PayPal account, I'm buying me another receiver, and then we'll be flying, because I'm pretty sure that the only problem I had was what I had on video 19 or whatever it was. Okay, that's about it for today. It's fun playing with this thing, though. I tell you, it's really cool to see that mission light come on.
Going to Waypoint 1.
It starts the motors up and runs them however fast they got to go to get to the first waypoint. It is sweet. I can't wait to see it really work. Okay, before you set up your mode, your copter can actually go to your neighborhood like mine is in mine, and it can act like you think the navigation system is working, but it's not. It'll say this right here. It'll say copter is disarmed, navigation engine disabled. The minute you arm the copter, nothing happens. Oh, what's that all about? A little house came on, the home position came on. Oh well. Okay, so something's wrong? No, nothing's wrong. I just haven't enabled the engine. I have to switch it on. I have to go into that mode. So, here I go. Oh, it figures. It figures. There. Click it on, navigation system is working. Click it off, it'll keep working until you hit disarm. Wow, this thing's flaky. It just keeps on working. There, copter is disarmed. Navigation. I think I'm having problems because of my radio. I have a broken receiver antenna. But
Going to waypoint 1.
there. If it goes to that, navigation system is working. When you go to launch outside, it's going to do what it's supposed to do. Copter is disarmed. You heard me disarm it. Copter's armed.
Going to waypoint 1.
Yep, you got to switch it all the way on to get it to do anything. Copter is disarmed. See, so you have to have the copter armed to enable the navigation engine. Then in order to actually go to a waypoint, you have to flip it into that mode. And you better be away from it when you do that, because it's going to take off and fly.